Hi friends, my name is S.S. Shreya. I am from class 12. My concept is scalar product of two vectors from the concept vector algebra. Hello friends, so we are in the concept of scalar product of two vectors. Let us see some of the terms and definitions. Scalar product of two vectors. So what is meant by that? It is defined as the inner product or dot product. So as we know, the scalar product is also always the dot product, okay, in mathematics. The next one is dot product. So it is the product of vectors where the result is always scalar. So scalar means it has only magnitude. So the dot product always gives only the scalar product. Okay. Then scalar product of two non-zero vectors. It is denoted by a vector dot b vector where a vector dot b vector gives modulus of a vector into modulus of b vector into cos theta. So scalar product of two vectors, as we know, a vector dot b vector gives modulus of a vector modulus of b vector into cos theta. The angle between the two vectors. So what is the angle between the two vectors? We know that cos theta is equal to a vector dot b vector by modulus of a vector into modulus of b vector. So theta is equal to cos inverse of a vector dot b vector by modulus of a vector into b vector. So let us now see some of the problems. So first one, find the angle between the two vectors a vector and b vector with magnitudes 1 and 2 respectively, where a vector dot b vector is 1. So first the given is a vector dot b vector is 1. Okay, they had already given. Modulus of a vector, that is magnitude, that is 1. So magnitude of a vector is 1 and magnitude of b vector is 2. We need to find the angle. Okay, so solution, as we know, we can rearrange. We already know the formula. A vector dot b vector is equal to modulus of a vector into modulus of b vector into cos theta. So now we need the angle. So we can rearrange cos theta is equal to a vector dot b vector by magnitude of a vector into magnitude of b vector. So we can substitute. We already have a vector dot b vector is 1 divided by magnitude of a vector into magnitude of b vector, that is 1 into 2 gives 2. So cos theta is equal to 1 by 2. So now we need only the angle. So theta is equal to cos inverse of 1 by 2. It's a simple sum. So this sum we can learn, from this sum we can learn the angle, how to calculate the angle between the two vectors in the case of dot product. Okay, now let us move on to the second question. Find the angle between the vectors a vector and b vector. So we need to find the angle. Solution, a vector dot b vector is equal to modulus of a vector into modulus of b vector into cos theta. This is the dot product. Okay, so a vector dot b vector, we can just multiply that. So I cap into I cap we get 1, j cap into minus j cap we get minus 1, and k cap into minus k cap we get minus 1. So 1 minus 2 is equal to minus 1. Then cos theta is equal to a vector dot b vector by modulus of a vector into modulus of b vector. We can calculate the magnitude of a vector into b vector by using the formula root of, we can take the coefficient of I cap, j cap and k cap. Here all are 1. So 1 the whole square plus 1 the whole square plus minus 1 the whole square for a vector. Then into root of 1 square plus minus 1 the whole square plus 1 square for b vector. So we get root 3 into root 3, which is nothing but 3. So cos theta is equal to minus 1 by 3. we get theta is equal to cos inverse of minus 1 by 3. So like this we can calculate the angle between two vectors. So the final answer is the angle between two vectors is cos inverse of minus 1 by 3. Okay, now let us move to the third sum. Find the magnitude of two vectors A and B having the same magnitude and such that the angle between them is 60 degree and their scalar product is 1 by 2. So we know that it is given that the magnitude of both A and B is same, and the angle they had given here is 60 degree, and the dot product also they have given as 1 by 2. So we need to find the magnitude of both the vectors. So solution: a vector dot b vector is equal to magnitude of a vector into magnitude of b vector into cos theta. So they given a vector dot b vector as 1 by 2, and cos 60 we already know the value 1 by 2. So by bringing it 1 by 2 into 2 by 1, 2 gets cancelled. So a vector, that is modulus of a vector into modulus of b vector, is equal to 1. So both have equal magnitude, they are already given in the question. So therefore the magnitude of a vector and the magnitude of b vector is 1. Now let us discuss about the MPM of the scalar product of two vectors. Finding the angle between the two vectors. So we can find the angle between the two vectors by theta is equal to cos inverse into a vector dot b vector by modulus of a vector into modulus of b vector. Second one is, if they had given a vector is perpendicular to b vector, then a vector dot b vector is 0. Third one is I cap into I cap is equal to j cap is into j cap is equal to k cap into k cap is equal to 1. Fourth one, to find the magnitude of two vectors, we can write magnitude of a vector into magnitude of b vector is equal to a vector dot b vector by cos theta. Fifth one, the two vectors a and b can be given in the component form. Then the scalar product is a vector dot b vector is equal to a1 b1 plus a2 b2 plus a3 b3. The last one is we can also find using distributive property. A vector into b vector plus c vector gives a vector dot b vector plus a vector dot c vector. So friends, I hope you have liked my presentation about scalar product of two vectors. I have some quiz to you. First question, the scalar product of two non-zero vectors a and b is denoted by dash. Second question, a vector dot b vector is dash, real number or rational number. I cap dot I cap is 1, that is true or false. The scalar product is dash. The result of the scalar product is always dash. The angle between two non-zero vectors a and b is given by dash. If a vector is perpendicular to b vector, then a vector dot b vector is dash. If theta equal to 0, then a vector dot b vector is equal to dash. So if you have any doubts, you can post in the comment box in SciTech Info, and you will definitely get a reply. Thank you.